Nosicelo anga ha kotanga ku fikelela milorho ya yena endzhaku ko dlawa hi wanuna hi ndlela ya tihanyi swinene. Xana madzolonga ya muxaka lowu ya ta fika rini emakumu?
It is also possible to make drastic changes in order to deal with the pandemic of gender-based violence. As a task team, we pledge that we will work harder so that the objectives of the GBV policy becomes a platform for real change.
We've been robbed of a future constitutional court judge here. There's a child who came in 2017, the same year that I started, entered through the foundation program, deputy minister, and was going to finish the degree in regulation time. And she was going to join the ranks of eminent Fortarians in the legal fraternity.
The
story of Nosicelo forces us to ask ourselves serious questions about the type of society we are, where we make women feel that they should shrink themselves to the point of disappearance just so that they do not die, just so that they are not raped, just so that they are not killed.
Nosicelo ari xirhandzu eka vandyangu wa ka Mtebeni. Va ri va tsandzeka ku amukela ku hundza ka yena emsabeni.
Sibulela ngokungazenzisiyo kwi-South Africa yonke iphela. Kuye kwabonakala ukuthi ngoNosicelo asilimalanga sisodwa, silimele sibaninzi.
Siku ra nkosi wa yena ari se tivisiwa.